losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to be talking about standards-based learning and how it impacts you here at STEM. The purpose of this video is to explain more about standards-based learning and hopefully reduce some of the anxiety and stress it may be causing. Our goal is to review why we chose to implement SBL, how Canvas is set up, and what to expect going forward. Here's Mr. Alsop to tell you some more.
Thank you very much, Ms. Kowaleski. There are many reasons why we chose to switch to standards-based learning, and now let me share some of those with you. There's a national push for schools to transition to standards-based learning because research has shown us it's what's best for our students. As a school, we work with consultants from the Marzano Research Group to help train our staff so at the end we could be ahead of the game. Some of the great things about SBL is it provides students with targeted feedback. Students are assessed based off of their understanding of the standard and not on work completion. Also, students have an opportunity to make up any work that they messed up on. They're not penalized for one bad grade. We really do hope you enjoy this new way of grading. Now on to Ms. Gasser to talk about how SBL works.
Hi, I'm Michelle Gasser, Director of Professional Development here at STEM. I'm here to talk to you about standards-based learning and how it looks in Canvas. To look at your grades, we are currently using the Learning Mastery Gradebook. To get there, go to your grade section, and at the top, click on the tab that says Learning Mastery. Canvas shows you the average of each of the standards in the Learning Mastery Gradebook. You can click on the tab for each of the standards to see the assignments that go along with those standards. You will want to scroll through those assignments to see that you have 3s and 4s for each of those standards. This means that you are proficient in that standard. Your teachers will take the mode of each of those standards. In the instance that there are 2 modes, for example, 2 3s and 2 4s, your teachers will use professional judgment. This is similar to what we did in the past when teachers would round up their percentage to a higher number for that grade. Once we have the mode for each of those standards, those modes will get averaged together for a final grade. This is for high school only. For example, in language arts, you have reading and writing standards. In our old system, those would be lumped together. If you were stronger in reading than you were in writing, your writing grade could bring down your reading grade. In the new system, you will be graded on reading and writing separately. Only for high school, those two will be averaged together for a final language arts grade. To know that you are doing well in your class is to use the assignment tab. Scroll through the list of assignments, and for all of the demonstration of knowledge assignments, you will want to have a 3 or a 4 in those areas. That means that in your Learning Mastery Gradebook, you have mastered those standards and are proficient in those and should have a good grade in the class as an overall grade. Next is the conversion chart. Your numbers will then be translated to letter grades. A 0 to a 1 is an F, a 1 to a 1.99 would be a D, a 2 to a 2.49 would be a C, 2.5 to a 2.99 would be a B, and a 3 to a 4 would be an A. The letters then get converted into your GPA, just like they did in the old system. So an A is a 4.0, a B would be a 3.0, a C would be a 2.0, and a D would be a 1.0. I know this can be a lot of information, but we're working with Canvas to try and find an easier way so that you don't have to find the mode for each of your standards. This video will be posted in multiple sites so that you can access it at any time. It'll be on our STEM webpage, we'll have it also on our Facebook page, and we will be emailing it to all students in middle school and high school. Here's Ms. Ritter with more about what's coming next.
We're currently working hard to fix the issues so students can see their grades and are able to comprehend the grading system. Canvas is currently not doing what they told us it would do. They told us it would be working perfectly for the school year, and that's been proven wrong. So right now we're looking into other systems like Schoology, Empower, and Mastery Connect. Last year, teachers piloted Mastery Connect to see if it would work to fit our needs, but they weren't ready to use it. This year, based on teacher feedback, teachers will be piloting it again next semester to see if it will work to fill our needs. This would allow us to keep Canvas and report grades in a more meaningful way. The majority of Canvas is working well with submitting assignments, getting announcements, and so much more, but Mastery Connect will help with the grading aspect of Canvas. Canvas will most likely look the same until we switch systems. We're doing as much as we can to make it work, and we can't wait for it to be implemented. Now back to Ms. Kowaleski.
We thank you for your patience and understanding as we work through some of these issues. We know that it's been tough and not easy to determine all of your grades. We ask that you continue to work with your teachers. The STEM admin appreciates all of our students and staff and hope you have a wonderful holiday break.